Hello students, let's continue at chapter 12, Indian Democracy. The other day we studied in Indian democracy about the election, how election takes place in democracy. After that, we studied the role of a voter, why it is very important in a democracy to vote, and adult suffrage, that is a person above 18 has a right to vote, but once his name comes in the voters list. Also, one person, one vote, and it is the duty of every citizen to vote without greed or fear. Also, we have to be very vigilant about our one's rights. We also studied about the foundation of democracy, how and what type of environment has been seen during the election, and that is the festive environment. Today, let's study about the public opinion in democracy. We have a democratic country. The candidate who wins the election represents the people. In representative system, the ruling party would like to regain and retain its power. So what? We have a democratic country. We studied already what is democratic country, and the candidate who wins the election, we saw who can stand for the election. And once he wins the election, he can represent the people. And then the representative system, the ruling party would like to regain and retain its power. They also would like to regain, they would like to get the people into confidence. To regain and retain its power is to become essential for the political parties to connect with the people. And so students, what? They had to get connected to the people while regaining and retaining the power. To maintain and run government, it becomes essential to consider public opinion and thoughts for framing policies and for various questions pertaining to many problems. So what? In order to maintain and to run the government, it's not an easy task, student. And what has to be done? It becomes essential, it becomes important to consider the public opinion, their thoughts for framing the policies or for various questions pertaining to many problems. So when the people have any problem, anything, they have to get people, those who are in the power, they should know what are the problems of the people, and they should try to solve by framing the rules and the policies for it. Then, public opinion is highly essential for political parties, representatives and organizations. So what is that? Public opinion is very much important for whom? For the political party. In what? In political party, in knowing their, while organizing, knowing their problems, their questions, and what the public wants, what the people want. Because we know that it is that the public, the people who have selected them, who have elected them. Collective public opinion is extremely important in democracy. Collective public opinion is extremely important in democracy. So whatever the public, majority of the people is considered and it is important, strong and organized public opinion is very important in democracy. Strong and organized, not anyhow coming and fighting for your rights, but it should be organized. What questions you have in democracy? Malfunctioning of the government can be presented through public opinion. Public opinion helps in creating such a condition where the government cannot afford to misrule or neglect the country. Alert and intelligent public that keeps itself informed cannot be misled by the government. Various mediums in the modern times have proved to be very important in creating public opinion. Let us obtain detailed information of these mediums. So what, students, what is that? Public opinion helps in creating such condition where the government cannot afford to misrule or neglect the country. What did we see? What do you understand by the democracy? It is a government of the people, for the people and by the people. And so therefore, the government cannot misrule the country, and therefore public is very sharp. They are very much aware of their rights and all. Alert and intelligent public that keeps itself informed cannot be misled by the government, and therefore public, the people in the country, they know that what is happening in the country, what are the rules, what are the things, and therefore they read a lot of news and they get themselves being informed, they are intelligent, they are alert, and therefore the government cannot mislead them. Various mediums in the modern times have proved to be very important in creating public opinion. Various mediums, different mediums have been used in order to create the opinion and to keep themselves being informed, and that is very important. Let us obtain detailed information of these mediums. And which are these mediums? When we talk about mediums, what are they? So let's see which are these mediums which keep the people aware, update, and how do they give the important news or the knowledge. Media of public opinion in democracy. This question can be asked for 4 marks, and therefore please write there IMP. It is always asked in the exam. To cultivate the human psyche and to create a strong public opinion, the various information and broadcasting agencies are very useful. In today's time, various mediums are used to transmit information to the public. These mediums contributing to build strong and effective public opinion are. So what is the students? To cultivate the human psyche, the mind of the people, human psyche, and to create a strong public opinion, various information and broadcasting agencies are very useful. Which are these agencies? We'll see. In today's time, the various mediums are used to transmit, to transfer, to give the information, to transmit the knowledge and information to the public. These mediums contributing to public, to build strong and effective public opinion, and they are print media. Tick mark this. Now, print media, just as a print media as a short note, can be asked for 2 marks. But when you are asked about the media of public opinion in democracy, when this question is asked, you have to write about the print media as well as electronic media. Let's see about the print media. In today's world, newspapers, periodicals, and journals hold utmost importance in facilitating people to know more about incidences, events, and situations taking place nationally as well as internationally. So what? In today's world, newspaper, newspaper early in the morning, we like to read the news. You like to update yourselves. What? So the newspaper, periodicals, monthly periodicals like Indian Currents or the India News, India Today, these are the periodicals, and journals hold utmost importance in the facilitating people to know more about the incidences, events, and the situations that are taking place nationally as well as internationally. You get to know through them what is happening in the world as well as in your country. Print media helps people to evaluate their opinions either in favor or against the information presented to them. So what is the role of the print media? Print media, the newspaper and the periodicals, journals and all, they help you either to be in favor of or in against, and that again depends upon the whichever political party you are. You will support or you will go against it. The same information presented by the print media can create multiple viewpoints in the people. So same information presented by the print media can create multiple viewpoints. Each one's point of view is different in reading and knowing this information. Okay, people give different individual responses to the same information and develop individually diverse opinion. So what happens? The people give response differently. See, for example, now I am teaching you. I am giving the information. It is up to you how to take it. Also, there have been, some may like it, some may not like it. Some may be for it, some may be saying that, oh, print media plays a great role. Some may say, what great role in it. And so students, each one's response is different. People give different individual responses to the same information. Okay, but we should know what is happening in the world, in the country. It is essential that the opinions created are true, firm, and unbiased. What is that? Opinion created are true, they are firm, they are strong, people are strong in what information has been given, and unbiased. It is not that because you are prejudiced by something, you are giving that information. You shouldn't be biased about any particular party or any information or the people or the government. If the print media presents bias and false detail, then it is possible to create a false public opinion. So if you are biased, if you have anything against the other party or the people, and you are giving the false information, then you are giving a false public opinion. There can be the false information given and the false public opinion has been created. It is absolutely essential to have freedom of press. See, the media is free. The press is free to give what information they want, but it is up to us in which way it has to be taken, so that a false public opinion is not created by presenting only achievements of the government and thereby hiding the false failures and shortcomings of the government. So it is not that media has to play the role by giving the true information. Suppose there is something good has been done, appreciate it, but something that is not being done good, please, you have the right to bring it to the notice of the people. It was done in this way, it could be done in that way. And that is about the false failures and shortcomings. You cannot hide it. Ours is a diverse nation in terms of language, culture, and regional varieties. We know culturally, religion-wise, linguistically, we are different. We have varieties. We have varieties of languages and all. The regional newspapers are much sought after in corresponding regions. So regional newspaper, people like to read what is happening in that region. Regional newspaper then have an immense contribution in cultivating public opinion. And so therefore, regional newspaper, for example, in Gujarat we have Saurashtra Times, we have the Gujarat Samachar. Whereas when you go to Maharashtra, they will have Maharashtra Times, they may have Lok Satta, Lokmat, different newspaper. And so students, that is how in a particular region, particular state that you are, it helps you to give the news what is happening in that state, what is happening in your region. And therefore, it has an immense contribution in cultivating public opinion. Print media has failed in cultivating public opinion in countries and regions having less literacy rates. So what happens? Print media, where you have to read, where the people are illiterate. If the people are not literate, can they read the newspaper? You have given a lot of information in the newspaper, in your Saurashtra Times or the Divya Bhaskar or in the Gujarat Samachar. But if the person does not know to read, can that person get that information? No. And so media has remained backward. It has not able to be successful, has failed somewhere. In spite of these various organizations, industrial groups and political parties publish their own dailies and periodicals owing to their influence exerted by printed material. The government also publishes various periodicals and issues providing important information. So students, people who are able to read, those who are able to know, those who have the facilities of getting newspaper, periodicals and daily journals and all, they are able to keep up, they are able to get the different information and update themselves. Now, so that is about the printed media. That is about the newspaper, periodical journals and all. Now, what is the role of the electronic media? What is this electronic media? Let's study about electronic media. Audiovisual media like radio, television, cinema, etc. are important in cultivating public opinion. So we saw in the print media is that whatever printed material you get it in your hand. Whereas in the electronic media is that audiovisual media like radio, television, cinema, now your mobiles and all will come into this electronic media, are important in cultivating public opinion. They help in creating the public opinion. Electronic media is more effective in the regions of lower literacy rate. Even the people are illiterate, they watch TV, they listen to the news, and they go for the cinemas, they look in the mobile, the news, and they are able to get the news. So what happens? Electronic media is more effective in the regions of the lower literacy rate. Even though the people are not more educated, they are able to get the news. It is seen that the radio and television are considered far more important than newspaper and periodicals. Naturally, students, in the radio, what happens through the radio news, you are able to listen, and through the television, you are able to see as well as you are able to hear the news, and so therefore, it has been able to have more impact on the people, more effect on the people. Live telecasts of incidents occurring nationally as well as internationally can be easily made available through the mediums of radio and television. So what happens, students? The live news, live telecast, incidences that are occurring, anything that is happening, students, with the media, with your mobile, with your Facebook, with your Instagram and many other things, WhatsApp and all, the news have been spread in a second's time. Within a second, the news have been spread, and so therefore it is very effective. A public opinion can be created through serials, dramas and movies, which can help portray socio-economic as well as other problems like untouchability, dowry, exploitation and poverty in an entertaining manner. So what happens? Your serials and all, okay, your serials, your movies, the dramas, through the dramas and all, you have been able to give the messages to the people. And how? By what messages? The problems like dowry, exploitation of the women, or the poverty, untouchability, it can be brought out. Some social movies and all, they give very good picture. There are some old movies and all, like Lagan and all, which is on the farmers, about the issues. And so there have been many social movies which give the important knowledge, okay? Then also the dramas, they may try to give the message about the dowry, not to give dowry. In today's world, apart from television, the arrival and spread of internet has helped the people to enjoy news, serials, dramas and movies sitting comfortably in their homes. So you need not go around to see what is happening. You have mobile in your hand and you get to know in the tip of your finger the news within no time. Okay, all this media can create an adverse effect through the presentation of distorted, obscene and violent information. So students, what? All this media can also create the other effect, and that is what? By presenting the distorted the pictures, such as suppose there has been women exploitation, women how they have been oppressed, how they have been beaten for the sake of dowry or many other things, and the violent information or any other obscene. Okay, so that has been also through media it can be created. Hence, it is essential to monitor and control transmission of harmful content through these important mediums. Okay, so you cannot. There have been some like this obscene, also violent information and all. The people in charge will try to see that they do not allow to have the censor board and all will see that these scenes cannot be given in the movies and all. So therefore, your movies also go to the censor board, and there is a board of censor, those who screen the movies and so on. In a democracy, it is desirable that the political parties and NGOs protest against various obscene and violent programs telecasted by the electronic media, which I already explained. So the political party also says that this has not been telecasted and people haven't been entertained through such media. Today, in the fast moving age of technology, people can stay in constant touch with each other through the medium of internet or smart cell and exchange thoughts as well as ideas. Electronic media is widely used to cultivate public opinion. Television, radio, personalized radio, etc., that is FM, plays a special role in cultivating public opinion in modern times. So students, what? Through the different technology, through your medium of internet, by using internet, by using your smartphones and all, you are in touch with one another, as well as you give the information within no time, which has been spread widely, information through television, radio. Also, FM also plays a special role. In today's time, rumors spread instantaneously, within no time, all of a sudden, at once, in the absence of the facts and details. Hence, there remains a danger of false public opinion being generated. So, since the news go within no time, it spreads very fast, there is also the danger of the rumors and so on. Various types of surveys carried out by electronic media help create public opinion. So the different surveys have been taken in the villages and in the cities and all, and that also helps to create the public opinion. Surveys are carried out to know public opinion with the help of some details. Opinion polls are presented during the elections. During the election, whatever the opinion polls and all have been presented to the people during the election. Opinion polls help to estimate the direction of public opinion. Opinion polls are not always true and reliable. You cannot rely on the opinion polls always. Electronic media are very important in today's time. In a democracy, the people and the government should exercise patience. Electronic media helps to transmit people's thoughts, details and talks to the government, and similarly helps transmit details about the various plans and achievements of the government to the people. So what is that? Electronic media are very important in today's time, and government should exercise. We need to have patience while transmitting, while exchanging the thoughts, details, talks to the government, and help to transmit the details about the various plans and achievement to the people. Radio can reach in distant and remote areas, but as it is only audio media, it has been less effective. So radio is able to get, you are able to get the FM and all in the different, even remote, in the villages and all. But what happens, you are only able to hear, you are not able to see. It is audible, it is not video as well. So therefore it is less effective. Television programs, though expensive in nature, have gained more public viewership than radio. In a democracy, it is desirable that public opinion should be cultivated so as to cater the needs of the welfare of the nation. So students, what happens? The television has been, though it is expensive, but has been able to have got gain and been able to reach. And in democracy, it is desirable that the public opinion should be cultivated to cater, to provide the needs of the welfare of the nations. So students, this is about the media in the public opinion in democracy. That is a print media and electronic media. 4-mark question which just now we saw. You should remember, print media is about the periodicals, newspaper, journals and so on. Has been little less effective than this electronic media, because in electronic media they can hear as well as they can see. Please study at home. I am going to stop over here. Tomorrow we shall see about the types of democracy. I am going to stop the class over here. Have a good day.